This is the Future of Automotive with Steve Greenfield.
Well, welcome back to the latest episode of the Future of Automotive on CBT News, where we put recent automotive and mobility news into the context of the broader themes impacting the industry. I'm Steve Greenfield from Automotive Ventures, and I'm really glad that you could join us this week. Well, one of the big stories coming out of COVID was how much faster auto vehicle repair costs and insurance premiums grew faster than core inflation. In fact, the cost of car repairs and insurance have increased 27% and 53% respectively during the past 3 years, far outpacing overall inflation, according to data from the US Department of Labor. While recent inflation has been caused by factors such as supply chain shortages of parts and labor challenges with employing skilled technicians, now we face the additional challenge of tariffs on imported aftermarket parts. Due to tariffs, the prices of parts that are commonly damaged in collisions, such as hoods, fenders, and lights, stand to rise further starting in about 3 months from now. In the short term, this dynamic may actually drive more service and repair business to dealerships as consumers try to get ahead of part shortages and expected price increases. But then there's the impact on vehicle insurance. As both new and used car prices inflate due to tariffs, while at the same time the cost associated with fixing them increases, insurance companies will have no choice but to increase monthly premiums as well. Finally, we may be setting ourselves up for a future where more consumers are underwater, or, in other words, owing more on their cars than the vehicle's current value. According to AAA, vehicle depreciation is the biggest cost of owning a new car. AAA's latest tally of new car drivers' annual costs puts depreciation at an average of $4,680 per year, which is more than the combination of vehicle insurance at $1,715 per year and gasoline, which is at $2,235 per year. Just as we saw during COVID, when something like 72% of new vehicles were selling for above MSRP, if tariffs create a dynamic where new car buyers pay higher prices over the remainder of this year, they run the risk that their cars will depreciate more quickly than usual. Any way you look at it, we're in for a pretty wild ride here in the short term, and the average consumer is going to have to react to affordability issues around not only inflated new and used car prices, but also cost of ownership issues like vehicle insurance, maintenance, and repairs. So with that, let's transition to our companies to watch. Every week, we highlight interesting companies in the automotive technology space to keep an eye on. If you read my weekly Intel report, we showcase a company to watch and then take the opportunity here on this segment each week to share that company with you. Today, our new company to watch is called Scale Voice. As technology advances and artificial intelligence accelerates, dealers need to explore tools that make their operations more efficient. Scale Voice provides dealers with automated SMS, email, and web chat follow-ups. Scale Voice provides AI agents for automotive, AI B2C and outbound sales calls, inbound service calls with a human-like voice, seamlessly updating your Xtime, Vin Solutions, or any CRM and DMS. Use Scale Voice to engage AI agents that deliver to your customers SMS reminders and engage in real dynamic conversations with customers via SMS, email, or web chat. If you'd like to learn more about Scale Voice, you can check them out at www.scalevoice.com. So that's it for this week's Future of Automotive segment. If you're an auto tech entrepreneur working on a solution that helps car dealerships, we want to hear from you. We are actively investing out of our dealer fund. Don't forget to check out my first book, The Future of Automotive Retail, and my brand new book, The Future of Mobility, both of which are now available on Amazon.com. Thanks as always for your ongoing support and for tuning in to CBT News for this week's Future of Automotive segment, and we'll see you next week.
Thanks for watching the Future of Automotive with Steve Greenfield.